Welcome to the new morning with smile on your face, love in your heart, good thoughts in your mind. Wish you a lovely morning always. Good morning, children. I hope everyone stay home, stay safe. I hope, children. Now, today you are going to learn the topic measurement lesson. I would like to ask some question from the measurement lesson. How do the vendors weigh the vegetables? How do you buy milk from the milkman? How do you measure distance from your house to school? What is your height? What is your weight? How much cloths required to stitch your uniform? How do we measure the objects? Why do we need to measure? In above all the questions, what do we need? We need an instrument. We need an instrument, a standard quantity, an acceptable unit. So if you want to measure to stitch your clothes, we need an instrument, we need a standard quantity, we need an acceptable unit. Now we are going to learn about instrument, a standard quantity and acceptable unit. Measurement is the base of all scientific studies and experimentation. It plays a vital role in our daily life. It is the process of finding an unknown physical quantity by using a standard quantity. What is mean by measurement? It is the process of finding an unknown physical quantity by using a standard quantity. Now I would like to ask some question. Have you seen in the picture what is the length of the cover, children? So it is given value 11 centimeter. What is mean by 11? 11 is the magnitude and cm expansion centimeter. Centimeter is the unit. This process is called as measurement. People in various parts of the world are using different system of units for measurement. Some common system of unit, what are they? Already you learned in 8th standard, FES system, CGS system and MKS system. What is the expansion of FES system? Foot for length, pound for mass and second for time. In CGS system, centimeter for length, gram for mass and second for time. In MKS system, meter for length, kilogram for mass and second for time. So, scientists recognize the need of using standard units for physical quantities. That was called as International System of Units and is popularly known as SI system, International System of Units. Scientists chose 7 physical quantities as base quantities and defined as a standard unit to measure each one. So now we are going to follow base quantities and units. Length, meter, symbol m, mass, kilogram, kg, time, second, symbol s. Now already you learnt in previous class for all these three children. All these three, length, mass and time. In 8th standard you learnt temperature, electric current, amount of substance, luminous intensity. What is temperature? Temperature is defined as a measure of the average kinetic energy of the particles in a system. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Thermometers are used to measure the temperature directly. What is electric current? Electric current is the amount of electric charges flowing through a conductor in 1 second. Electric charge is measured in coulomb. The SI unit of electric current is ampere and it is denoted as A. Ammeter is the device used to measure the electric current. Next, amount of substance. Amount of substance is is a measure of the number of entities present in a substance. Mole is defined as the amount of substance which contains 6.023 into 10 power 23 entities. It is denoted as mole. And next, luminous intensity, the measure of the power of the emitted light by a light source in a particular direction per unit solid angle is called as luminous intensity. The SI unit of luminous intensity is candela and it is denoted as CD, children. Once again, I would like to recall 7 base quantities. SI system means International System of Units. They chose 7 fundamental quantities or 7 base quantities: length meter, m, mass kilogram kg, time second s, temperature Kelvin K, electric current ampere A, amount of substance mole MOL, luminous intensity candela CD. I send the worksheet, children. Listen the video carefully and complete the answers and send me. Thank you, children.